You are not the father. You are not the father.
Seriously?
You are not the father. You are not the father. You are not.
Wagwan people, wagwan. Well, before me get in the show, I want to tell all of the father them, know the Father's Day gone, but I don't get a chance to tell them on them. Happy Father's Day, enough respect and honor. You understand? I know say society not really big up the father them like that. You know, because when you go up on the street Mother's Day, you see gifts of all kind. Father's Day you might lucky if you find two. But it no matter. You're a good father, you're a real father. Big up yourself. Stay in your youth life. You know, you take care of youth, you know, you love your youth them love you. Stay with them. You know, me among the fortunate ones. Me get a few things from my kids, you know. Because I have to in my kids them life. You can't lift them up. So if you're one of them father that were in your life, in your youth life, respect. Enough respect and honor. Happy belated Father's Day. You see me? So people, the reason for today's show now is I have a discussion the other day on TikTok live with some people and both man and woman, and this whole idea of paternity fraud come up, jacket as we call it in Jamaica. And me say, me believe that as of now, every child that is born, there must be mandatory paternity test. Because after all, only the woman alone can know if the child she have is hers. Because she push out the child. But there's no way for the man to know. Except through a DNA test. So if that is what we have available to we as men, don't you think we should? I mean, you tell me in the comment section. Because in the discussion, one man say, boy, him not support the idea of DNA testing because it can lead to problem. He said that after one of the ladies them say, boy, she understand the whole idea of DNA testing, but she can't support it because if a man forgot do that, if people forgot do that now in Jamaica, that can lead to a whole heap of problem in terms of violence against women. And you have a point. You have a point. The point is, yes, it can lead to violence against women. Some will agree with that. To a point. Meaning, say, if you do have DNA testing, wouldn't that, and it's mandatory, wouldn't that force women now to start think twice about going outside and cheat? You see, it's not the cheating that is the problem, you know. See me I say? It's the unprotected cheating. Because people will cheat. Man will cheat, woman will cheat. You know, studies prove say man and woman cheat basically at the same rate. So, it's not the cheating that the problem. It's the cheating without the protection that the problem. And then, it leads to a thing where the woman, yes, she go sleep with somebody else. But she not sure now. Now that she pregnant, she not sure if the man where she there with are the father, or she not sure if the next man who she sleep with. So what does she do? She'll naturally give it to the man who she live with or there with or married to, whatever. That's only natural thing she do, right? So we have to look on it from many different perspectives. But the other side now, I am looking at this. So a man is now responsible for a child that is not his. He must go work and financially take care of that child. He must go emotionally take care of that child. He must go teach that child everything. And after a few years, only to come and find out that the child that you consider my son or my daughter is not yours. After you don't spend out all of your life earnings and savings, possibly send this to college and everything. And it will kill some man internally. It kills some people inside. Because, alright, look on a video here. Just look on a girl face. When she find out, say, this man, after 18 years, and of your father.
Told you. Miss Others?
You see the pain and anguish on this girl face. Just look on her. So them thing not only affect man, it not only affect the men them, it affect the kids them too. So just look on her face. You see the pain in that girl face, man? And them is something we are talking about. So when me I say you have to have mandatory DNA test, me not bash woman. Me not beat down on the decent, good woman them. Me I talk about the one them who knowingly go out and step out of them relationship. And knowingly I give picnic to a man who they know say yo, I no feel him out. Them not the women them I talk about. Those are the women I talk about. Me nah talk about the woman them where genuinely make a mistake and genuinely don't know say yo, Jesus Christ, who me pregnant for. Because those situations exist. Them things they happen. Because all of we are human. But me I talk about the chichi them. Who know say I not feed this a man youth, I know you breed me, but because of circumstance, because of situation, maybe man have little money or whatever the case may be, or maybe the man kinda decent and them the man know say yo, you know say I one little piece of garbage man me go breed for. Me no mean say garbage man meaning man who work on garbage, no that I mean. I mean a waste man them go breed for. That and them the woman them I talk about. Some waste woman. Some garbage. Because as far as me concerned, them woman they are garbage. Because you know say I know the man penny. And you still go make the man take care of this youth. And some of them even have the audacity. If you carry the man go court for child support, you know? Some of them carry the man go court for maintenance, you know? And know say the man and the man penny, you know? Yo, them a thing what me I talk about, brother. That's why I say your DNA test is mandatory. It will be a must. So, in 2023, Northern Caribbean University did a study and found that 1 in 5 men in Jamaica I take care of a child when I belong to them. 1 in 5. 20%? Yeah. 20% of men in Jamaica take care of one of them. But fast out to 2024, where 876 DNA test put out for them results which show say 47% of all tests for them do in a 2024 now. 47% of that come back negative. Meaning say 47% of men in Jamaica who do DNA test, that is, I show say and for them youth. And for them youth, brother. Now, you see why I have to say make DNA testing become mandatory. Because you can't trust some of them women, brother. But people nowadays, it's like everything is believe all women, believe all women. That's why enough women, if you mention DNA test to them, you know, them first will jump up and say, oh, you're cheating on me, you're cheating on me. But mention DNA test. Oh, what you saying? I'm cheating, I'm cheating. So you're perfect. So you perfect. No, I know say a lot of people will come at me, women will come at me about this. But ask yourself this question. Make this sink in a little bit. How would you feel knowing say you spend out all of your life's energy and money only to come find out 10, 15, 20 years later that the child where you have spent that upon are not yours, and the person who you have that child with was insisting and tell you say you're picnic? Or if that kind of too much for you, for imagine say you have a son and a woman knowingly put your son through that. Make your son take care of this youth for 18 years, 19 years, however long, only to find out say I'm a film picnic. Woman can't go to court for maintenance. Brother, we need to get past them or something. We need to get past them, I think. People want to say they live in a modern time. Well, a modern time now for real. So make we do what modern people do. Every child, DNA. Paternity. And maybe then this will stop. Or if it can't stop, at least reduce. So let me know what you want to think about that, because me just believe say, it's my honest opinion, say we must start push as man to start push the system to implement mandatory DNA tests at birth. That way we get rid of this problem where man are raised people enough for them. Because society, we tell you say, it's okay, you can do it, and nothing. You love the child and all that. Yeah, we get it. But everybody want to know, say, them are raised and not take care of them own DNA, brother. Allow me to tell? Talk the truth. Allow me to tell? Don't you as a man want to know, say, the child where you raise are your own and not somebody else's own? Women, the same thing. Talk the truth. Wouldn't you like to know, say, the child where you raise are your own versus believe say are your own and then years after find out say it's not yours? I don't know. Tell me what you think. Tell me in the comment section. Make we have a discussion on this thing, because people need to get this out and we need to hear varied opinions. So let me know what you think. Because personally, I believe say DNA test should be mandatory. Mandatory. I don't know. But as I say, make we have a discussion in the comment section. Talk to me, and always, as always, people, remember, no matter what happens, always talk the truth. See? Bless.